Hey there, welcome to a new video. Today, we're diving into a common problem that many website owners face. Imagine this. You have a few proxy servers set up in front of your website servers, and you want to ensure that all incoming traffic goes through those proxies. However, you're concerned about unwanted requests slipping through. How can you make it seem like your server isn't even listening to those unwanted requests in the first place? Let's tackle this interesting problem together. Now, let's talk about the solution. To achieve the desired outcome of making it appear like your server isn't responding to unwanted requests, we need to take action before the requests even reach Nginx. As mentioned earlier, the server is actually listening for TCP connections, not individual requests. This means that by the time a request reaches Nginx, the OS has already accepted the TCP connection to port 80, revealing the existence of the HTTP service. So, how can we address this? The solution lies in configuring your server's firewall settings using tools like iptables, PF, OV, or any other firewall configurations available to you. By preventing unwanted IP addresses from establishing a TCP connection to port 80 or 443, you can effectively block those requests from reaching your server. In summary, by proactively managing your server's firewall settings to block unwanted IP addresses from establishing TCP connections, you can create the illusion that your server isn't even listening to those requests. This strategy ensures that all traffic passes through your designated proxy servers, enhancing the security and integrity of your website. I hope you found this information helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and until next time,